Twisted Luck Truth was doing a trespass appeal hearing when he was trespassed from the police department for touching a door handle. You're going to see the city attorney here freak out, and as well as 3 cops come in. Let's take a look.
All right.
Just Mr. It's not open.
Is this closed to the public?
It is not open to the public. It's a hearing.
Where does it say that? Why would a trespass appeal?
Sir, I'm not having a conversation with Mr.
Right, yeah,
Armstrong.
it's not a public meeting, though?
No, it's not a public
Who
meeting.
are these people?
Sir, I'm not here to answer questions.
Why are you raising your voice?
Mr. Armstrong, you want to come in
What's
for the
your
hearing?
name?
Do you
Yeah.
want to come in for the hearing?
Yeah, I want to come in
What
here.
kind
I was told it was a public hearing, though.
I don't know who told you that, but
Yeah.
We'd like to come in and view the
you're,
hearing.
you're not entitled to.
It says who?
Sir, we can proceed with the hearing, the appeal hearing that you requested. We're happy to give you your due process and have the hearing, or not. It's totally up to you, but we're not allowing members of the public. If you have witnesses that want to testify, we'll certainly allow them to come in while they testify, and then they'll leave after their testimony. Sir, I'm not, Mr. I'm talking about, if you want to come in, it's up to you.
Right, but I was,
Transparency.
Sir, I'm not going to argue with you about it. Do you want to come in or not? It's
well,
your
you're talking
hearing.
about due process, and you're saying you don't want to argue.
Do you want to come
Right,
in for the hearing?
but listen, I'm trying. I was told it's a. I was told it's a.
Don't start
Are
kicking
you
doors.
going to trespass me from City Hall for putting my foot in front of the door?
Listen, this
We're
is
trying to
this is
conduct business.
ridiculous.
You're not. We're trying to
Listen.
attend a hearing.
All right, no. We can't have you putting things up here on the edge and everything.
I can't have you trampling my rights.
Not if he's actively saying that he's supposed to be.
Oh, that's fast.
They're coming to trespass all of you guys now.
Oh, really?
For what?
What's the judge's?
For sitting in the hallway?
Yeah, recording the public
Good
hearing.
luck.
And if they're doing that, I mean,
Are we done recording up here?
Are we done talking to me?
yeah.
They don't want their faces to be public. That's what this is. Yeah. They don't want to be held accountable for their actions.
Domestic terrorist. Here we go. Here, Kingfish over here, the domestic terrorist.
We meet again.
Yeah, dude, I don't even want anything to do with you. I've got an open eye against you.
Cool. So we have been asked to ask you guys to leave.
For what?
Because they're trying to host this.
I'm sitting in the hallway.
Who's
I know.
leaving?
For what reason?
So,
But who's leaving?
what do you mean?
Who are you asking to leave?
All 3 of you
For
guys.
what reason?
For, can I have a reason at least?
What is
So,
that?
yes, so there's a meeting going on.
Yeah, did you see that?
It's a hearing,
I
not a
did, a
meeting.
hearing, I'm sorry, a hearing.
Yeah.
And
Public hearing?
They asked you guys several times to stop recording, to stop disrupting.
Are we allowed to film in the public hallway?
We are being asked to leave.
I'm asking questions,
Can I
clarifying
have,
questions.
can I have a piece of paper just
Yes,
with my trespass?
yes, absolutely. And we're also gonna give you, what we'll give you is the same paperwork that he got, your
Okay.
notice to appeal it.
Yeah.
But what did I do?
You're being
But you didn't
trespassed.
see me here. I'm gonna tell you right
This
now.
guy's been sitting
I
here
have the
doing
whole
nothing.
video. I have it on video. Would you like to look at my evidence?
We were here the whole time.
He doesn't care about
But did you? So you saw me then? If you were watching the whole time?
Saw you what?
Well,
You said he
you
was recording.
I'm asking if you want to see my evidence.
I got a call from the captain inside.
But can I show?
What's he being removed for?
Yeah, what's up?
Can I show you my
Talk about
evidence?
the Constitution while you're back there, guys.
Officer Peterson, can I show you my evidence?
If that's what you
Hey,
want to do.
Mayor, we're about to be trespassed.
From City Hall.
Yeah, and I'd like to show you what
Public
happened.
area. You guys want
Hey, I didn't
lawsuits.
come out for you guys.
Is this the mayor?
Yeah, this is the mayor.
So what's going on? We're being, they have a trespass appeal hearing, and we're out in the lobby here, and they're trespassing people in here. You're okay with that?
I don't know anything about this.
Well, I'm telling you, they're trying to tell us to get out of a public building. Are you okay with that?
Got to find more information before we make a comment.
Yeah. Who are you? Let me ask.
Human resources.
You're HR? Okay. So I'm just telling you, the more information is, oh, you guys, I figured. Do you have to get off on this one?
I do.
Okay. Yeah, so I'm just saying, they're trespassing regular citizens from a city hall in the lobby. You're okay with that?
I don't know what transpired beforehand.
Nothing. Just being out in the center here. You're okay with that, Mayor?
I can't be one way or another. I don't know what occurred beforehand.
Okay. Can you find out before, like, mitigate these damages, or no? Is that something you can't do? That's something you can't do? Oh, you don't have to pull it shut. I'm not going to grab it.
I don't know how you sleep at night.
I'm not
His arm snuggled up against the Punisher tattoo.
Yeah.
What is that?
Oh, it's we the people. I love the Constitution, but I don't know anything about it. I swear to uphold rights, but fuck you.
The way it was explained to us is that hearings themselves, right,
You can't
between
have
the
that.
individual, between the individual and there is a closed door hearing.
You cannot
right?
have that. It's impossible. It's a sunshine violation.
Okay. And again, that's as far
That's
as
your job. That's not mine. That's your job. If there's a sunshine violation, it's in from 39s all the way to 1200s in the statute book, I think it is. That's your job. That is your business. All those statutes are your business. They're not mine. Mine's the Constitution, what I can do. I mean, yeah, the laws are. I'm not claiming to be a sovereign
Officer
citizen, but
Rideout,
that's what we're doing.
Officer Rideout, who secures our rights if you don't?
what was that, sir? Sorry, again, I have an earpiece in.
That's all right. Who secures our rights if you don't?
Well, again, I do my damnedest to make sure that we are not violated. At least I know I'm not violated.
Our rights are being violated as we speak.
Okay, again, as far as this meeting, or hearing, however that goes, these are.
Are you
like I
unwilling to
explained,
protect our rights?
I never said that.
Would you let us, can you get us into that meeting? It's a public meeting.
Yeah,
Can
just
you
do
get
it.
us in that meeting?
Just Google it really quick.
Can you respect our rights,
Look it
please?
up. I mean, that's what we do. Say, hey, our trespass appeal hearings. Our trespass appeal hearings.
We just want our rights respected.
I'm like I said, these are all very new to us, so obviously I'm not gonna
The
charge.
Constitution.
So if they're
I'm not talking about the Constitution, I'm talking about the trespass appeal hearings.
if they're new to you, you have to err on the side of caution rather than the violation of the rights, right? So you guys should have been prepared for
Erring on the
this.
side of caution would be less.
So Salmon, Peterson, and Rideout, which you see here, Peterson on the right, Rideout on the left, they did nothing. He played with his phone for a little bit and still upheld, said, nope, this is a private hearing. You cannot have hearings that are private with the government, especially when it comes to matters of public interest and public property. And I can secretly record him all day long because it is a public meeting. This is a public meeting. You guys are violating our rights to be able to cover this meeting. I'm saying you because you guys are standing here with force, with guns, and if we do anything to resist you, you ultimately do deadly force and want to kill us for it. It's just simple fact.
Deadly
Yes, it
force is
would.
necessary,
Then you'll do it. That's it. If it's necessary.
But that is part of, again, as you know, you are well aware, right? We're not just gonna go.
Why am I
shoot.
aware though?
You were former law enforcement. You should be
So
well.
you know the fact that I know the law, that you know the law, that you guys are here, and I know the policy. You guys are prohibiting us from exercising the Constitution protected activity, which is the First Amendment to cover.
We haven't told them to stop.
We want to be in there.
We want to be in there.
It's a freedom of press issue.
Yeah.
It's part of the First Amendment.
The way
We're not
you-
talking about this, me and you recording here. We're talking about this right here. Your show of force, you already threatened to trespass us. You talked to him in the corner over here and all of a sudden said, hey, no, we're not going to do that.
So
we had the fear, we had the prior restraint, the fear that we're going to be trespassed. So we can't continue looking over here and what we're doing.
Okay, so again, from the way it was explained to us, is that hearings themselves, right,
You can't
between
have
the
that.
individual, between the individual and there is a closed door hearing.
You cannot
right?
have that. It's impossible. It's a sunshine violation.